Let's take a provenance journey from capture to edit to display using secure technologies aligning to the C2PA open standard. We begin our journey with Truepic's Lens SDK, a secure software to capture authentic images and videos. From the moment of creation, images are cryptographically sealed with the C2PA open standard, ensuring that provenance data is embedded into the file. The photographer is now using Truepic's camera to capture images of Lower Manhattan. The capture is similar to that of your native camera. The image is now dropped into a verification tool to show its original provenance, including its date, time, location, and source or capture mechanism. Now let's take that same authentic image captured with Truepic's camera and drop it into one of Adobe's products. In Photoshop, significant edits are made to the image using an AI tool which completely changes the original photograph. Before making those edits, the Content Credentials function is turned on. This captures the changes made to the image and embeds them into the file using the C2PA open standard, ensuring that all edits are added to the existing manifest. Now, when the AI-edited image is dropped into the verification site, all edits are transparently marked and can clearly be seen using this slider. Additionally, all the original authentic capture information is visible. All this work is based on the C2PA open standard and is being driven by the Adobe-led Content Authenticity Initiative, working with partners like Truepic to develop and implement a global standard for digital content provenance. Consider joining us.